Is it real? Or is it just another marketing ghost? For months, the rumors about the Sony FX3 Mark II have been tearing the filmmaking community apart. Some say it's the ultimate cinema camera that will kill the RE Alexa Mini LF for indie filmmakers. Others claim it's just a minor refresh. But today, we aren't talking about rumors anymore. We are talking about the future of your career. If you are a cinematographer, a content creator, or someone who dreams in 4K, you need to listen very carefully. Because what Sony has built inside this body isn't just a camera. It's a revolution that is about to change how we see the world. Think back to the original FX3. It was a masterpiece. It took the soul of the A7S III and put it into a rugged, cage-free cinema body. It became the gold standard for Netflix documentaries and high-end YouTube productions. But technology moves fast. Very fast. And as we head into this new era, the demands for higher resolution, better dynamic range, and smarter AI features have reached a breaking point. That is where the FX3 II enters the frame. The first thing you need to understand is the sensor. We aren't just looking at more megapixels. We are looking at a completely redesigned stacked CMOS architecture. Imagine a sensor so fast that rolling shutter becomes a myth. Imagine global shutter-like performance in a body that fits in the palm of your hand. When you're shooting fast-paced action, or a high-speed car chase for a commercial, every millisecond counts. The FX3 II is designed to capture the motion exactly as your eyes see it. No warping, no jello effect, just pure organic motion blur. But let's talk about the secret weapon, the color science. For years, filmmakers complained about the Sony look, that clinical digital feel. But with the FX3 II, Sony has doubled down on S-Cinetone and a new color science engine that mimics the legendary Venice II. We're talking about skin tones that feel alive. We are talking about highlight roll-off so smooth that you'd swear you were shooting on 35mm film. The internal processing now handles 16-bit linear data, giving you a latitude that was previously reserved for cameras costing $50,000. Why does this matter for you? Because time is money. In the USA market, the competition is brutal. If your footage looks digital and cheap, you lose the client. The FX3 II gives you that high-end, expensive look straight out of the box. The dynamic range has been pushed to a genuine 15+ stops. That means you can shoot in the harsh midday sun of the Mojave Desert or the deep shadows of a New York alleyway, and you will still have detail in every corner of the frame. Now, let's talk about the most controversial part, AI integration. Some purists hate it, but if you are a solo operator, this is your best friend. The dedicated AI processing unit in the FX3 II doesn't just track eyes. It understands human anatomy. It knows where the head is even if the subject turns around. It predicts movement. It's like having a professional focus puller living inside your camera. You can run and gun, shoot wide open at f/1.2, and never miss a shot. This level of reliability is what separates the amateurs from the pros. And then there's the body itself. Sony listened. The cooling system is now even more efficient, meaning you can record 8K 60p or 4K 120p in the middle of a heat wave without the dreaded overheat warning. They've added more assignable buttons, a brighter screen for outdoor use,